Okay, so I think we actually finished lesson 2.1.1 yesterday because we finished with 211, which was the triangular planting bed. So Misty's triangular garden thing. And so now we're on 2.1.2. So 217 is that flowchart proof type problem. I don't really like the way they do their flowcharts, so we'll have to kind of think about how to do that one. And they mentioned this theorem graphic organizer, which I'm not really sure what that is. So let's skip that one. But let's go to 2-18. And this one is pretty familiar. Determine the area of each of the following figures. Assume that all angles that look like right angles are right angles. So I guess they mean these things over here. So let's go ahead and I'll just draw this out here. So let's do A first. So it looks like that's a terrible drawing. Wow. Okay. Let me do that one over again. Let's do that. Man, can't draw a straight line to save my life. Okay, there we go. And then there's that. Okay. And then this kind of is a line right there. And then they give us this straight line, and that is a right angle. Okay, so then they gave us this is 8 down here, which is this one is 8. And then they give us this one is 2, 2, okay. And then this is 1 over here, and that's 1 over there. And then we got 4 up here, and a height of 3. Okay. And then, so since this is 1 and this is 1, and the longer version is 8, then that means that this base of this trapezoid right here is 8 minus 1 minus 1, so 8 minus 2, which is 6. So that's that longer base right there. So then we just have two shapes to take the area of. So we have this rectangle down here, and then we have this trapezoid. And we kind of know what those are, so let's just move this over here. And then I'm going to try this new tool here for an equation editor. So we need the area of the rectangle. Let's see, do I have a way to do subscript? Area of, oh, maybe this one? Rectangle? I don't know if that did what I wanted. Let me try that again. Area of rectangle? Alright. So we have the area of the rectangle that we want, and then we want to add that to the area of the trapezoid. I'll just write it like that for now. There's got to be a way to kind of... Oh, that's what I wanted. Alright, let's try that. So, area of rectangle plus area of trapezoid. There we go. And then let me make all this easier to see, because right now it's really small. So let's make it size 24. No, let's do a little bit bigger. Let's do 36. Yeah, that should work. Okay, so that's what we want. So we want the area of the rectangle plus the area of the triangle, area of the trapezoid. Okay, so now what does that equal? So the area of the rectangle is 2 times 8, right? So this side times this side. That's the area of the rectangle. And then to that, we want to add, hopefully you remember our equation for the area of a trapezoid. So the area of a trapezoid equation is, let's see if I can do this here. Where's my equation? Here we go. We want that. So 1/2 of the base 1, which is 6, plus the base 2, which is 4, and then times the height, which is 3. Okay? So that's the area of the rectangle plus the area of the trapezoid. Area of the trapezoid, 1/2 of base 1 plus base 2 times height. Base meaning like this is the base. This is another base. And let's go ahead and do that math. So over here, we've got 16 plus 0.5, which is that half, times 10 times 3 equals, and then So that's 16 plus half of 10 is 5, times 3 is 15, and so we get 31. Okay? And so 31 is our answer for the first part. All right. So let's move that back, and then I'll go ahead and stop this video, and we'll do the second one.